Remember when I was talking about not being able to put returns in the corkboard and having to do it in the synopsis instead? Hi, my name's Juliet, and I now know that there's a way to get returns in the corkboard without using the synopsis, and also to get them in the outliner. As you might expect, we're going into File Options for this. This option is well hidden. Click on Behaviours, then on Return key. You'll see there are two items, both checked. The first one says Return ends editing synopsis in corkboard and outliner views. So there's the first note. This one option determines corkboard and outliner. If you don't want that, use the synopsis to enter returns into the corkboard instead. It also says Return creates new item in list in corkboard and outliner views. This is not a toss-up between having the ability to add new elements with Return or being able to put returns into your corkboard and outliner elements. Click outside of any existing index cards and press Return, and you can create a new index card. Now let's do the same with the outliner. Within a row, you can now add returns in the synopsis index card text. Click away from the rows and Return will create a new item. If you want to know more about some of the many and various things I've talked about with the corkboard, check out this video here.